Hello, Matt here with MicroSurvey. I'm here to share with you today MicroSurvey inCAD 2027 and MicroSurvey embeddedCAD 2027. We're close on the heels of our last release just 2 months ago with MicroSurvey inCAD and embeddedCAD 2026.1, but in this major release, we have a lot of new stuff for you. We have support for the latest 2027 releases of AutoCAD and Civil 3D, and the 2027 engine from Autodesk in our MicroSurvey embeddedCAD. In that new engine, there's lots of new commands, fixes, and performance improvements, the full details of which are in the release notes. But I'm going to show you some of it today. We also have some fixes for survey groups that was introduced in the 26.1 release, and improved backwards compatibility for label styles, and of course that support for the latest 27 release. So let's get into it. Here I have MicroSurvey inCAD 2027, and what are survey groups? Well, on the MS Points ribbon, we can open the Survey Group Manager. Survey groups are a mechanism similar to layers, but entirely separate. We can use it to hide data. I can hide the building D, or we can use it to view only one set of data. Entities can get added to groups through filters in the Create New Group window to add just a description or a point range. We can create groups by automap, automatically on import from a field file, and we can create groups by CAD pick. Let's jump over to MicroSurvey embeddedCAD 2027. I have here a topographic survey of a parking lot to show drainage across the parking lot in order to plan drainage improvements. My favorite new tool in MicroSurvey embeddedCAD 2027 is the geometry cleanup command. It's a command from Autodesk. It's found on the Manage ribbon, Geometry Cleanup. I'll show you a little of what it can do here. You run the Geometry Cleanup command, select Objects, window select a section of the drawing. You can see here that we can define tolerances for gaps in line work, overshots, undershots, as well as angles. I'll use the default features, hit scan, and it shows me, let's look at the gaps, just as an example. Oops. In the gaps, we have orange circles that show where each one is. We can click on them, zooms us in, brings us right to those geometry mismatches in the drawing. Using the geometry cleanup command makes it easy to assess the quality of the drawing, as well as find gaps that would be problematic in creating a surface. This is just a sample of what's available in MicroSurvey embeddedCAD 2027 and inCAD 2027, available now. Get a trial today from microsurvey.com/demo, or contact us to learn more. Thanks for watching.